This is an integration questions from October-November 2022, paper 3-1. Question 9. The diagram shows part of the curve y equals to 3 minus x e to the power of negative 1 over 3x for x greater or equals to 0 and its minimum point M. We're going to do part B. Find the area of the shaded region bounded by the curve and axis, giving your answer in terms of E. Area of the shaded region. That means we need to do integration from 0 to this part. So we need to find out what's the value at this part. That is on x-axis. Therefore, we know that y equals to 0. So we're going to substitute y equals to 0 into our equation of the curve. So 3 minus x e to the power of negative 1 over 3x equals to 0. Now, we know that exponent cannot be 0. Therefore, 3 minus x equals to 0. 3 has to be equals to x. So we have found out that this is x equals to 3. Next, we are going to integrate from 0 to 3. Okay, from 0 to 3, 3 minus x. This is a product of two functions, e to the power negative 1 over 3x. Don't forget to finish off with dx. Product of two functions, we're going to use integration by parts. In my case, I'm going to show you using a DI method. Okay, DI method means you need to select which part to differentiate, which part to integrate, similar to integration by parts technique, the formula technique. I'm going to use 3 minus x for differentiation because I know eventually I will get 0. And e to the power of negative 1 over 3x, that will be for integration parts. And don't forget to put plus minus sign alternately. So differentiate 3 minus x, I will get negative 1 because differentiate negative x is negative 1. Differentiate a constant negative 1, I will get 0. So this is where we stop. Next, for integration parts, integrate e to the power of negative 1 over 3x. We will get back itself and divide by the differentiation of the power. Divide by negative 1 over 3, so that will be negative 3. Further integrate it, you will get negative 3 divided by negative 1 over 3, that will be positive 9e to the power of negative 1 over 3. Okay, so now we are going to substitute. So diagonally, we are going to multiply. So I have 3 minus x multiplied by negative 3e to the power of negative 1 over 3x. Okay. And then I have negative, that will be positive 1 multiplied by 9e to the power of negative 1 over 3x. And our limit is from 0 to 3. Next step is substitution. We'll start by substituting 3. So 3 minus 3 will be 0. So we still write it there. Negative 1 over 3x. Negative 1 over 3 times 3. Plus 9e to the power negative 1 over 3 times 3. So that is the first part. Minus, when we substitute 0. So it's 3 minus 0. Negative 3e, negative 1 over 3 times 0 is 0, plus 9e, again power 0. Further simplify this, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 times by anything is 0, so we don't have the first part. Then we continue with 9e to the power of negative 1 over 3 times 3, that is negative 1, minus, okay, we're gonna open the brackets. 3 minus 0 is 3, multiplied by negative 3, e to the power of 0 is equals to 1, so negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, minus plus is minus 9, e to the power of 0 is 1, so 9 times 1 is 9, so I'm going to have 9 e to the power of this, negative is positive, 9 minus 9, so I can write my final answer as 9 over e, right? Because e to the power of negative 1, we can write it as a fraction. So final answer for this question is 9 over e.